Hi everybody, my name is Stephanie Thiessen and I'm your GelMoment independent distributor. Today I'm going to show you how to do a GelMoment manicure on kids' nails. These are my daughter's nails. She is 8 years old and she has a terrible habit of picking her nails and her cuticles. And having GelMoment polish on and using the cuticle oil consistently really helps her nails. You can see we've sort of neglected them over the last little while, but we're going to polish them and get them back to looking really good again. So the first thing I'm going to do is push back the cuticles gently. It helps with hangnails and keeping the nail plate nice and clean for your polish to stick properly. Kids' cuticles can be more sensitive, especially if they have hangnails or sore spots, so just be really careful while you're pushing them back and just be sure to do it gently. The next step is to shape the nail to the shape that your child wants. I usually just do a rounded shape and just even out any of the areas that are overgrown or snagged or even have sharp spots on them. It's going to help keep the manicure nice and clean and prevent tearing and snagging and honestly picking from the child. My kids like to pick their nails, and so it's really important just to make sure that there aren't spots that they can easily pick and pull. The next step is to buff the nail. Some distributors don't recommend buffing kids' nails because kids' nails are very thin in comparison to adult nails. I have found that if I just gently buff the nail really quickly just to remove a little bit of shine off of the nail plate before applying the polish, it allows the polish to stick better. This is a very quick buff. I'm not pushing hard. I'm just doing it very gently just to remove any of that shine off of the nail plate before applying the polish. If you'd prefer not to buff your child's nails, you can skip that step and move on to cleansing. Use the GelMoment cleanser pad to cleanse the entire nail along the cuticle line and along the sidewalls. And definitely with kids, make sure that you're getting underneath the tip of the nail, even if their nails are shorter. And just be careful around those sore hangnails. The cleansing pads are 70% isopropyl alcohol, so it can cause a bit of pain and discomfort around those sore hangnails. Now that you have your child's nails prepped and cleaned, you are ready for polish. Remove the brush from the bottle and wipe off as much of the polish as you can. When doing kids' nails, it's really important to use small amounts and thin coats, and having as little polish on the brush as you can will help you apply a clean manicure to their tiny nails. Use your cuticle pusher or a cleansing pad to clean up any polish that you get on your child's skin or along their cuticle line. You'll notice that I didn't cap my daughter's fingernails, and the reason for that is because her nails are just too short. She has a habit of biting and tearing and pulling her nails back all the way to the nail bed, so her nails are just too short to be able to cap them properly. You'll notice that her thumbnail is long enough, and I do cap that nail because it has enough nail past the nail bed to be able to cap properly. It's also really important to make sure that you're doing very thin coats. This is going to help you apply a clean manicure and ensure that the polish is curing properly. You'll notice that I had enough polish on the brush originally to do all 4 of her fingers. After a full cure, you can move on to doing the second coat of polish. Because kids' nails are so small and short, you will probably only need to do 2 coats. Kids are known for picking their polish, so if you keep your coats very thin, it can make it very difficult for them to pick and peel the polish in one solid piece. Applying a clean manicure will also help with that. If you keep the polish from pooling along the sidewalls and going up and over the cuticle line, it can help prevent your child from picking. The last step in your child's manicure after fully curing your polish is to finish off with a nail or cuticle oil. We love the Almond Quench cuticle oil in our house. It really helps with the hangnails that she gets. Kids love having beautiful nails, just like their mom's nails, and with kids it can be hard to find a polish that actually lasts for them. Kids have naturally oily and thin nails, so it can be difficult to find. But here's my daughter's nails using GelMoment, still beautiful and healthy, and you can see how much her cuticles have improved over 7 days. This is a 7-day-old manicure and her nails are still perfectly chip-free. I hope you enjoyed learning how to do kids' nails using GelMoment Gel Polish. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. Thanks so much for watching.